So dear student, finally we are in the exercise part. First question is, using appropriate properties you have to solve this example. So till now we have learned some property like associative, distributive, commutative. So while solving, mostly commutative and distributive is used and it helps us to solve the example in an easy way. So now we solve this. Before solving, you carefully observe. You have to see there if any number is repeated or not. Here you see, here minus 3 by 5 is there, here also 3 by 5, and here also, only sign is different but the numbers are same. Other numbers are different, 2 by 3, 5 by 2, 1 by 6. So how you will solve that? I want this number nearer to that pair. So how you will, first you write as it is, minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5. Now I want this particular pair nearer to that. Means how you can write 3 by 5 into 1 by 6, and this remaining I will write last. So that is known as commutative property. I am writing in short. So commutative property. Then after that we have these two pair. In this pair the common is 3 by 5. Here also 3 by 5. Here also 3 by 5. So what you will do, you will keep this number common. If you keep it common, minus 2 by 3, and here minus 1 by 6, as it is 5 by 2. So here 3 by 2 we kept separate, so minus 2 by 3, and here minus 1 by 6. Now here also minus there, here also minus, so you can take separately. You can means write at the beginning. So as you take here minus outside, it will become plus. I am doing step by step so that you can easily understand. Now here inside the bracket we got this number. So here you write 3 by 5. Here 6 is there, here 3 is there. So if in the denominator you got both the numbers same, you can easily solve. So how you can get 6? 3 into 2 is 6. And you can multiply same number in upside also, numerator also. So 3 into 2 is 6. Got it? So 2 into 2 is what? 4. Plus 1 by 6, as it is you write 5 by 2. Next, minus 3 by 5. So here both sides 6 is there. So you simply do addition, 4 plus 1, 5, plus 5 by 2. Next step. So here we have in bracket and here. So it is means minus 3 by 5 into 5 by 6. It is the meaning. So whenever you have any number, like for example, if you have A into B into B into A. So what happen? That BB gets cancelled or A gets cancelled, like that. So this concept we will use. Here 5 is there, upside 5. So 5 gets cancelled. So it is minus 3 by 6 plus 5 by 2. We can divide 6 by 3, or both the number can be divided by 3. So how? Here 3 1s are 1, 3 2s are 6. So it is minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Finally you can easily solve. 2 is common, so minus 1 plus 5. Finally it is 4 by 2. So here you can divide it by 2. So here 2 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4. So our answer is 2. Okay. So this is our answer. So here in this example we have applied commutative and the distributive property. Okay. So here we use commutative and here we kept the number common, 3 by 5. So here you can write distributive property. So we use two property, commutative and distributive. Whenever you change the order, it is commutative property, and whenever you keep something common, that is known as distributive property. You can mention it while solving example. Now we go on the next example. in this next example, this is the example, and first I told you have to search common number. Here 2 by 5 is there, here 2 by 5 is there. Other numbers are quite different. So only one number is common, 2 by 5. So here as it is we write 2 by 5 minus 3 by 7. And now this pair I want nearer so that you can easily solve. So plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. This one I am keeping at last. Minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. So here this is commutative property. Next, here you know this one common, here also this one is common. So you have to use distributive property. Minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14. Then finally as it is you write this one. So here we used distributive property. Okay. Then our next one is 2 by 5 as it is you write. Inside it now you can solve. Here 14 is there, here 7. So you have to convert into 40. How you will convert? 7 into 2 is 14. Then you have to use same number here. We did 7 into 2, 14. So minus 3 into 2, how much? 6. Plus 1 by 14 as it is here. Here 3 ones are 1, 3 twos are 6. Okay. So you can write minus. Here then only 1 is remain. 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 2 is 4. And here as it is you write. Then 14, denominator is common. Minus 6 plus 1 is nothing but how much? Minus 5. We have minus 6 plus 1, it is minus 5. Then our next step, as I told you, in here denominator 5, numerator is 5. So 5 gets cancelled. And here 2 ones are 1, 2 sevens are 14. So how much is here? Minus is remain. So it is minus 1, and downside 7 is there, minus 1 by 4. Then here different numbers are there. So how you will solve that? 7 into 4 you directly do, downside. Minus 1 into 4. This is one pair, middle side minus is there, 7 into 1. You already, I think you learn also in the 7th standard. Minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. 7 into 1 is 7. 7 into 4, 28. Minus 7 minus 4. Minus 11. And this is your answer. So here in the whole example we use two property. Initially we use in general commutative for changing the order. Then we use distributive property. These two properties are very important and it helps us to solve any example easily. So I hope friend you understood this both the example, and thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.